Since I've undertaken to make songs, I must guard that no false word be understood in them. And if I say something that pleases my lady, a good reward will be given to me. And she would be wrong if my song were not good to her. Why? Because she has given me the art and the skill, and what I do I should not put into disdain. And even though she seems proud to me, I have no power to turn my attention elsewhere. For my heart and eyes show me to give myself to her. So much do I delight in her beautiful form, and when I think to part from her it does me no good, for her love stands before me and reaches me, which makes me turn back to her. So much does it constrain me. She is far from my eyes, but so near to my heart, she for whom I often complain and sigh, that the more I have of pain and martyrdom, love doubles and is born and grows at once. And since I am hers, I think she will not deceive me, and I have so much faith in her teaching that I am afraid she will choose someone else. It would be sense if I remove myself from her before I let myself be killed by sorrow. But love wants me to be brave in suffering, and never for anything let my heart be harsh. God never made any man who truly loved, who did not believe love more than his own sense. Therefore I must do love's command. Never did any lover suffer for his lady such hard pain or such great suffering. By mercy I pray her to tell me in such a thought, if her heart does not improve toward me, so that I might come more quickly to the end. For it is much better to die, it seems to me, than to live always with pain and suffering. Little song, go straight on your way there to my lady, in whom I have my hope, and tell her to have some memory of me, for I love her without deceit, with a true heart. For by my faith, since the hour I saw her, I have not changed or altered my desire, but I love her always and fear her and flatter her. Lord and herald of Polyneck, your worth increases every day of the year. Bella Guarda, I would gild my song for you, for no man can lie while praising you.